Welcome back to the next episode of Cut This, Polish That.
Today we're taking a look at our VOYAGER CNC Saw and our SPARTAN compact CNC router, taking on a small project packed with details. So Aaron, what are we showing today?
Well, today we're going to look at just how versatile the SPARTAN is. We're going to be doing two different methods of fluting. We're going to be looking at full height backsplash, and we're going to be doing the outlet cutouts on the VOYAGER XP.
Aaron, this is a combo that I get asked about a lot, the VOYAGER and the SPARTAN, how they work together. Besides the VOYAGER cutting squares and the SPARTAN cutting out sinks, we can show them the more detailed capabilities that these machines have.
Some would say they go together like Minnesotans in hockey or PB&J.
Well, before we jam, Aaron, let's get a little more detail on what we're going to see today on these machines.
Sure, let's head over to the studio. We'll take a look at exactly which CNC machine is doing what work in this project today.
Perfect, let's go.
We're here in the Park studio. We have our layout pulled up in T-match. We have a sink run with a waterfall leg, and then we have the full height backsplash with the outlets cut out. As we jump over to AlphaCam, the first thing we'll focus on here is actually doing the milling on the VOYAGER XP. That's going to include both of the outlets, as well as these corners of the full height splash here. We also have some tight cuts occurring, and that's going to be towards the top and bottom of the splash here, as well as in the part. And the reason why there's tight cuts in the back of that countertop is in this application, we're taking advantage of scribe tabs so we don't have to worry about scribing the wall for that sink run. As you can see, we have the sink in here as well as the fluting design. That machining is actually going to occur on the SPARTAN compact CNC router. We have three separate programs that will happen on the SPARTAN. The first one we're going to focus on is the actual sink run itself. And as you can see here, we're going to be milling the sink out on the SPARTAN. We're also going to have a focus on the exterior polishing, along with our faucet holes and our sinkets. So this is a completely done sink run. Let's get into the waterfall leg. This is a little bit simpler of a program. Basically what we're going to be doing is just polishing that same front edge that's going to match up with the sink run that we just looked at. So the third and final part of this project is going to be the actual fluting application on the waterfall leg. With these specific tools, in this application we're not entering from outside of the stone, we're dropping in on top of the stone. This would be a good application to actually take advantage of the sloping lead in and lead outs that AlphaCam gives you the control to do. This makes it so you have better tool wear and you don't have that abrupt collision of the tool into the stone. So it's just easier on your machine, easier on your tooling.
All right, Aaron, we ready to jam or what?
I have the slab loaded, programs loaded, and we're gonna go ahead and be able to split this up and run the SPARTAN and the VOYAGER simultaneously.
Okay, sounds good. Let's do it.
Time to rock.
Here we go, we have the VOYAGER running, and we're cutting out the electrical outlets on the full height backsplash. You can see as it's cutting here, it's doing it in increments, and that incremental router bit lowers after each pass. We're also going to have the inside corners here finished with the incremental router bit. Very versatile on what it can do. That's just one less thing I have to worry about. Cutting out sinks, electrical outlets. Obviously this machine saves you time with that capability. We're going to be changing over to blade cutting. We got our height sensor dropping down in the beginning and the end of that miter cut, and we're plunging in to make that miter cut on the waterfall leg. Man, this thing's cruising again today, just like it does every day. Some tight cut features there so we don't over travel into the next part. Cutting out the top and the waterfall leg with the miters and even the wall scribe that we seen. Took about 7 minutes here. The machine parked itself in the back. We have our park pause in there, it does it automatically. Aaron's taking out that top and that waterfall leg, and he's going to bring him to the SPARTAN so the SPARTAN can get to work while we continue this full height backsplash. That's our load and go system on the SPARTAN here. Aaron's bringing it in. He's going to use that laser there for the center of the sink. We're going to do the outside edge too, so he's pulling out the rollers where the tools are going to travel. Very simple to do. Off to the races we go. No sink on this one. We're just doing the outside edge here. Position 1, done. 2, done. 3, just get a little faster. 4, And position 5, polisher. So we're gonna go a little slower here. And 6. And 7. All done on the Spartan compact router. He's gonna roll it off. We have a bigger sink on this, so Aaron is spreading out the vacuum cups, rolling in his top here, going to center it with this laser, make sure it's all set. As we get that sink running here, this would be a good time to go side by side and see what the Voyager is doing and see this awesome duel of CNC machines work simultaneously. And we're off to the races here. As you watch the Voyager, we're doing that very simple fluted design there. Here, this look is kind of, I guess it'd look more like a panel, or you might call it a shiplap look. Go ahead and leave a comment for us in the comment section if you have a better name. Obviously, we could do more with this machine. It's got capabilities of profiling with the saw blade and rotor bits. I think we have some pretty cool videos where you can see some complex shapes, able to rough out and then get to a beautiful finish using the side of the blade as well. As the Voyager's fluting here, we can see the Spartan working on that sink cutout. All right, the sink is dropped. It falls right down to a nice collection system we have under the Spartan that you just pick up with your forklift. And it's off to the polishers, or I should say profile tools. Give it a nice eased edge. We're doing the sink, and then as it's done with the sink, use that same tool in the spindle to do the outside edge. Very time efficient process that way. You can see positions 2 and 3 here are cruising. I think we have them going up to 400 inches a minute on this part. This is more than a sink machine. It dominates sinks and seams, but it offers some shops a very versatile set of capabilities. It can fully process parts up to 62 inches wide and 26 inches deep with all 3 exterior edges. Now, we've put on very large kitchen islands on here and cut out the sink, but we're talking about the exterior edges for profiling. OG, bullnose, eased edge. The machine can do it all. So the Spartan's done, and we're at about 35 minutes. The Voyager's done as well, and we were off doing something else. And there we have a quick look of the part off the Spartan. See those sink mounts drilled in there. Beautiful polish there, transitioning into our miter edge. And Aaron, he's going to carefully roll that off. And we are ready for the exciting part. It's been exciting the whole time, but I'm really looking forward to this. Fluting on the Spartan. With this, we're using special tools to flute from our friends at DeFusco. These tools will do the full fluting process from roughing it out to polishing it. So having the Spartan here really gives you the ability to upsell your work. We have the capability of doing drain boards, fluting, sloping, pocketing, engraving, you name it. It's a very fully capable, compact CNC router. Here we're using the fluting capabilities to draw in a panel on the edge. Imagine doing that manually. We've roughed in our panel look on this waterfall leg. Now we're going to have our fluting tool polishers come and shine things up for us a bit here. Let's go back to the shop and meet Aaron and take a look at the results. Aaron, hey, nice work, man.
Thank you.
Very beautiful project here. So we've got the full height backsplash with the outlet cutouts done. We have your waterfall leg. It looks like you fluted an awesome design in there. If you're looking for install tips, Aaron's the guy here. 2 wrenches and some napkins. Very nice work. One thing I like about this combo, the Voyager, we took care of the outlet covers there. We took care of the full height splash, but we could have done that all on the Spartan as well, right?
Absolutely. These two are very interchangeable, and you can use that as a way to control the bottleneck throughout your shop.
Well, I think we showed today that these machines don't just cut out squares or cut out sinks. Very versatile combo that can tackle anything. If you want to see the Spartan CNC router or the Voyager XP CNC Saw in person, we'll fly you here to park on us.
Well, John, that concludes our latest episode of Cut This, Polish That. We'll see you next time.